the past few years, we have seen how web development has completely evolved. From static pages to interactive web apps, things have changed fast. And now, with AI making waves in development, we are entering a whole new era. In fact, did you know by 2026, AI-powered tools will have helped over 60% of developers code faster and more efficiently than ever before? And if you're still relying on old tools like Bootstrap or jQuery or jumping from random frameworks without a clear strategy, it's high time to level up. So in this roadmap, I will break down everything you need to know to become a job ready in 2026. We will talk about the right tools to use in modern web development, which technologies are outdated and what to avoid, skills and frameworks to focus on, and how AI tools like GitHub Copilot can supercharge your development speed. And of course, I will show you the exact path to take whether you're a beginner or someone looking to switch careers. And by the end of this video, you will have the clarity you need to know to master the modern web development. So guys, let's dive in. Also, if these are the kind of videos you would like to watch, make sure to hit that notification bell and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such amazing content by Simplilearn. So let's start with Web Development Foundation. You must be thinking, alright, HTML, CSS and JavaScript, I've got this. Well, not so fast. Here's what most people get wrong. Outdated technologies like Bootstrap and jQuery just won't cut anymore. So let's clear that up. HTML is the skeleton of any website. It gives you the structure to your web pages, but it's just the bare bones. Without CSS, your site will look like a black and white sketch. But here's a crucial tip. Don't try to master CSS. Yes, you can learn the basics fast, but trying to learn every CSS property will slow you down. Focus on the key properties that matter the most, like flexbox, grid, and animations. Mastering these essentials will help you build stunning websites. And don't forget, if you ever get stuck, tools like ChatGPT can help you quickly with CSS and HTML questions. Now that you have got your HTML and CSS under your belt, let's talk about JavaScript. I bet you're thinking, okay, I know about JavaScript, functions, loops, and all of that stuff. But why is it such a big deal for web development? Well, JavaScript is the backbone for modern web development. It's not just about writing basic functions, it's about understanding the powerful concepts that make your web app dynamic, interactive, and efficient. But don't just learn the basic JavaScript. Focus on modern concepts that are critical for cracking interviews. Master topics like promises, async await, the event loop, and asynchronous programming. Master these and you are halfway through the toughest interview. JavaScript is what will get you hired. It's practical, powerful, and essential. Now that you've got the basics covered and learned JavaScript and CSS, here's where you level up your game. Let's talk about the tools and frameworks that make you stand out in 2026. These are the ones that you'll actually use in real-world projects. Tailwind CSS has become the modern choice for styling. Forget about complicated frameworks like Bootstrap. Tailwind is simple, fast, and flexible. It allows you to build responsive websites with minimal effort using utility classes. So if you're serious about getting hired in web development, learn Tailwind CSS. It's the go-to tool for modern web projects. Now, you might be thinking that how do I handle the backend? Well, don't worry. Backend development doesn't have to be as intimidating as it sounds. There are so many tools and frameworks out there, and it's easy to get overwhelmed. But here's the secret. Keep it simple. Now, instead of diving straight into complex frameworks like Next.js, Django, or Remix, start with Node.js and Express. Node.js is like the power engine for JavaScript. It lets you run JavaScript on the server side, meaning you can use one language for both the front end and back end. This makes everything much easier to learn and work with. Express is a minimal web framework for Node.js that help you build scalable back-end applications quickly and easily. It's straightforward, flexible, and most importantly, easy to use. And what about all the other back-end frameworks like Next.js, Django, or Ruby? Here's the thing. Node.js is all you need to know to get started. Once you've got the hang of it, you can always explore other backend technologies. But for now, focus on Node.js and Express. Build a couple of real-world projects with them, and then you will have a solid back-end foundation. Let's talk about databases. Once you've got Node.js down, you will need to store data. And this is where MongoDB and SQL comes in. MongoDB is a NoSQL database which pairs perfectly with JavaScript. It's great for modern web applications and easy to work with them when you're using Node.js. Now, SQL databases like PostgreSQL or MySQL are more structured and used in scenarios where you need high scalability and complex queries. But remember, MongoDB is a solid choice for most applications. Now, at this point, you have learned the basics of Node.js and Express, so what's next? Now is the time to level up your backend skills with React.js, the industry standard for building modern user interfaces. React makes it easy to create dynamic interactive UIs, and most companies are looking for React developers. So once you have React under your belt, Next.js is the natural next step. This will help you build full-stack applications more efficiently with server-side rendering and static site generations. Also, if you're interested in becoming a full-stack developer, then Simplilearn's AI-powered full-stack developer program is the perfect choice for you. This 9-month course will help you master essential technologies like React, Node.js, MongoDB, and Java. With hands-on experience in over 60 projects. You will also learn to integrate AI tools to enhance your development process and test your applications. With live interactive classes from industry experts, you will work on real-world projects and gain a Microsoft certification to boost your CV. Plus, Simplilearn offers AI-powered job assistance, including customized resume, LinkedIn profile optimization, and mock interviews. So get ready for your career transition with this comprehensive program. Hurry up and enroll now. You can find the course link below. Now let's talk about the AI tools and how new technologies are reshaping the future of web development. AI tools are transforming how we write code. GitHub Copilot is AI powered and can help you write code faster and smarter. It suggests entire lines of code, helps debug, and even writes whole functions for you. AI won't replace developers, but it will make you 10x more efficient. Use GitHub Copilot and see how it helps you with code completion, error checking, and suggestions that save your time. AI is here to stay, so start using it now. Next, TypeScript is something you should absolutely add to your toolkit. It adds type safety to JavaScript, which helps you catch errors before you even run the code. It's a simple way to make your code more reliable and maintainable. Now, once you've mastered React, it's time to learn Next.js for server-side rendering and static site generation. It's the SEO-friendly, easy to deploy, and will give you the edge you need to know in full-stack development. Astro is another great tool, especially for static content-driven sites like blogs. It's built for speed and SEO, making it an excellent choice for developers looking to build lightning, fast websites. So now that we have learned the tech, how do I actually land a job? Great questions. So here's how you can apply your skills and become job ready. Now, as a fresher, projects are your ticket to getting hired. Employers want to see that you build something useful. Don't just follow tutorials, build real-world projects and demonstrate your skills. Start with a personal portfolio website, a task manager app, a personal finance tracker. These will give you practical experience and show potential employers that you can use the tech you have learned. Once you're comfortable, move on to more complex applications that integrates React, Node.js, and MongoDB. For career switchers, now if you're coming from another career, don't get overwhelmed by learning too many frameworks. Focus on the core technologies, modern JavaScript, React.js, and Node.js. Start building real-world apps to solve problems and showcase your skills. Use AI tools like GitHub Copilot to speed up your development. Now, to wrap up this session, web development in 2026 is all about using modern tools, staying focused, and leveraging the power of AI. GitHub Copilot is just one example of how AI is changing the game. Now, if you're not using these tools yet, you are missing out an amazing opportunity to boost your productivity. So guys, thank you for watching. Now, if you found this roadmap helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more such amazing content by Simplilearn. Thank you and keep learning.